My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, good morning, Glama here. So yesterday I showed you that I got mail and I showed you my package from Platinum Skincare, and so this is all the stuff that I got along with some little goodies here to apply the glycolic peel. And so I wasn't sure if I was going to do the TCA13 peel this morning. I was going to do more research and see if I was supposed to use the Fade Bright for a couple weeks prior to the TCA peels. And I did do some research, and yes, I should use the Fade Bright for 10 to 14 days, especially if I'm going to be using a peel. It kind of preps your face. Although I've already used the glycolic peel twice, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, I think, for 10 to 14 days, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna video me doing the TCA peel and 6 days of updates with that. Yeah, and I think with this, it's going to be a lot of gross shedding. Yay! Which is good, because I want all these layers of dry skin off. 52 years of layers of skin. Well, I'm sure it's not 52 years, because I have exfoliated in the past, but you know what I mean. I haven't really done anything harsh to my face other than those 2 glycolic peels, and that's not even considered a harsh peel, so I can't wait to try that. But anyway, I thought I would try the Fade Bright with you. I've done some research and I'm on their website right now, and this retails for $39 and VIP price of $31. And don't forget that I have the Platinum Skincare link down below, so just click on that and type in Fade Bright if you're interested in this. And don't forget to use my Glama10 code, and that'll get you 10% off. And it's a one-time code, and it's good until June 22nd, 2018. So I really like the packaging. It's got like little lace here, and it's Fade Bright Fast Acting Alpha Arbutin Kojic Acid Resveratrol. I'm having a hard time saying that word. But anyway, let me get it out of the packaging so you can see what it looks like. And yesterday when I opened up my package, I thought it was the emu oil that had spilled, but it's the Fade Bright, because I still kind of feel it on my hands. It's coming from here. I don't know if it has a slow leak or what, but I've already wiped it down and it still seems to be, I don't know, coming out a little bit. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and try this, and I'm going to go ahead and read a little bit about it first, let you know a little bit about it. So I'm going to look that way just for a second. It says, say goodbye to pigmentation, putting a damper on your complexion with this amazing cocktail of potent but safe lightening ingredients. So I'm going to try to read stuff that I'm not sure how to pronounce. Maybe I'll also type it and put it here so you can try to pronounce it yourself while I butcher it. It has alpha arbutin, kojic acid, licorice, mulberry, bearberry, resveratrol, lactic acid. Ooh, I think I got that resveratrol. I think I pronounced it good. It says intense combination of actives that will help to brighten the skin as well as reduce the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Our Fade Bright, our Fade Bright serum provides even, fast-acting pigment inhibition. The combination of the alpha arbutin, kojic acid, licorice, mulberry, bearberry, and resveratrol and lactic acid will help to brighten the skin as well as reduce the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. This combination of ingredients will act faster, safer, and more efficiently than commonly used bleaching creams with a single component, without irritation. Yay! Repeated daily use required to achieve desired results. Best results are seen after 4 to 6 weeks of use. Use sun protection. And then with asterisks, it says if you have dark skin and are thinking about doing a peel, use this every day for at least 2 weeks to prepare your skin. So that's when I saw that, I thought, okay, I better go ahead and do the Fade Bright before I do the TCA13. Apply 1 pump to freshly cleansed skin before any other treatments, which I just got done washing my face with a gentle cleanser in the bathroom. Use daily to lighten and brighten the skin tone. Always use an SPF of 30 to protect your skin from future pigmentation. If you have pigmented skin, darker skin, or are prone to hyperpigmentation, then follow the pre-peel directions. And these are the pre-peel directions. Apply this product 1 to 2 times daily for 10 to 14 consecutive days prior to performing a chemical peel to help reduce the chances of post-inflammatory pigmentation. Okay, and now there's post-peel directions. Continue daily application of Fade Bright on day 4 post-peel to help with future pigmentation. Okay, so I'll do the peel, and then on day 4 I can start using the Fade Bright again. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and it's pretty liquidy. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and pump some into my palm, just 1 pump, if 1 pump will come out. It's not coming out. Probably has air in it. Oh, there we go. There's 1 pump. I don't know if you can see it on my hand, but I'm going to try just 1 pump because I'm sure a little goes a long way. And so I'm just going to put, you see the dark spots under my eyes. That's my concern. So I hope it's safe to go this close under the eyes because that's where I need it. Oh yeah, just a little teeny tiny dab just is covering a lot of area. So instead of just putting it under my eyes, I think I'll kind of carry it throughout. I'll kind of just, I don't know, put it everywhere to even out my skin. So it has a mild smell. I can't even tell you what it smells like. It just smells, I don't know. It smells like it has alcohol. It smells like alcohol, like what you would, if you were to sniff the bottle of alcohol. But this has, but this is more like oil, of an oil feel to it. It's not as liquidy. These are other areas of concern for the, I guess is it melasma, the dark spots? Or is it hyperpigmentation? I don't know. I'm still learning all this stuff. And I'm getting, I don't know if you can see, but I'm getting little freckle type spots on my face, dark spots, and they're just the size of freckles, but if I can get rid of those, that would be fantasticals. Okay. So yeah, a little goes a long way actually. I wonder if it's safe to put it over here, get rid of this dark stuff on my lid. I'm sure it's safe, right? Sure hope so. Just don't get it in your eye. So I have some left over, so now I'm just going to use it. Use it all, I'm going to. Okay, so it absorbs really fast, so you have to hurry up and spread it pretty quickly because it does absorb, which is a good thing because if you're wanting to put your makeup on right afterwards, it's going to absorb into your skin. And then you can put your SPF on and your makeup and you're ready to go. So even though I've already put it on, I forgot to take a picture, darn it. I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna compare, and I'll come back for this particular update, the Fade Bright update, and see if any of these little spots have gone away. and to see if my dark circles are any lighter, because I look like a raccoon. I always think because of the brown pigmentation. And this right here, I'll get close so you can see what I'm talking about, but you've been watching me do these peels and I've gotten really close and personal lately. So let me turn the light down a little bit. There we go. So these are the little brown spots that I'm talking about that I'm starting to develop everywhere. And obviously you see the dark circles, and it's dark around the top of my eyes. I have darkness here. So let's take a good look at my face. So we can do comparison later. Okay, so there's that, and I'm going to go ahead and take a picture now. Okay, so we will come back in probably 14 days. I'll do the 2 weeks. And come back and we'll see if any of this lightens up a little bit. But it did say right here, it says best results are seen after 4 to 6 weeks of use. So even though I'm going to come back in 2 weeks, I'll do the 2-week update, and then maybe I'll do a 4-week update and then a 6-week update. That way we can give it a fair shot and not say after 2 weeks, but I still see all the pigmentation. So I'll come back at 2 weeks and see if there's any improvement, and then 4 weeks, and then 6 weeks, and we'll do it that way. Now I have to get some makeup on because unfortunately I have to go to a funeral. A really good friend of mine who is 8 years younger, she's a family friend, passed away a few days ago. So I'm going to go to that funeral and I have to get ready, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get some makeup on, and then I think I might come back and say goodbye to you, end the video with makeup on. Hey guys, so I've got my makeup on and I didn't have time to come and say goodbye to you guys. I went to the funeral already, and I just wanted to come and end this video now. So, alright. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll get the updates on this Fade Bright to you here in a couple weeks, and don't forget, even more so right now, that I'm feeling the way I'm feeling. I'm very anti-bullying. I'm very anti-treating people badly, and that's why I always end my videos with the words that I do. And just my friend being only 44 years old, I'm 52, and her being gone just really is hard to swallow. We never know when our loved one might not be here. So even just anyone that you meet on the street, I always say, don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves, because if you love yourself, you can love everyone else that you come in contact with. That's what bullies are. Bullies aren't happy, and that's why they project their anger and their feelings on other people and hurt other people. So if we can just always remember to treat people kindly. You don't know the wars that other people are going through within themselves. You don't know the struggles that they're going through in their minds, in their life, at home. We just don't know. So making fun of people or being cruel to people is just not acceptable. And you never know that just giving someone a nice smile as you walk by them, we may save a life. You know, we may save that person's life, because you don't know if maybe they've been having a really, really horrible day and they've decided that it's just not worth being here anymore. No one notices them, no one cares about them, no one even sees them. But if we walk by and give that person a warm, kind smile, that might be all it takes to keep that person around. So don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.